Hideaway screens. Introducing the Hideaway privacy screens. In this video, we will show you how to install the screen onto your deck. Hideaway screens can be installed on a variety of surfaces including wood, concrete, grass, or dirt. Before you begin assembly, please make sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. Start the assembly by checking the parts list. Verify that the following parts are included with your assembly. The included parts are all of the mounting hardware, post, cap, and screens. The following tools are recommended for this installation. Hideaway privacy screens come in 4 unique profiles and are available in both black and white. There are 2 options to installing the screens. One option is if you choose to install the screens onto the brackets, and the second option is if you wish to install the screens straight to the post. We will first show you option 1. Begin the installation by choosing the location on your deck you wish to install the screens. Next, place 2 posts 3 feet apart, measuring from inside the posts. Once the posts have been measured and placed accordingly, secure each post using 4 structural lag screws for each post as shown. For more details on lag screws, please see our specification guide at www.hideawayscreens.ca. Tighten the lag bolts as required. Next, locate the top of the post and place the post caps on top. Attaching the post caps are easy. Insert the cap inside the post and push into place. You may need to tap them on with your palm, or a mallet. Repeat this step and ensure that both caps are securely attached. Use a hand level, and ensure both posts remain level. After securing both post caps, proceed by attaching the brackets. Mount the brackets onto the inner section of each post at your desired height and location. Secure the bracket to the post using 5 self-drilling screws. Only use the wood screws provided if you are mounting your Hideaway screens to a wooden post. Fasten the screws using a drill. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Repeat these steps for the remaining 4 screws. Repeat these steps for the opposite side. Finally, locate the screen you wish to install and match the holes on the bracket. Push the screen toward the brackets, hold in place, and secure the screen using a total of 10 bolts and nuts. Insert the bolts through the screen and the bracket. Tighten the bolt using a screwdriver and a wrench. Repeat these steps and tighten the remaining screws. Verify that there is a minimum gap of 100 mm, or 4 inches, between the bottom of the screen and the mounting surface. Repeat these steps for the opposite side. After the screen has been tightly secured, repeat these steps and place as many posts and screens as needed. Congratulations, you have completed the installation of the privacy screen. If you decided not to attach the screens to the brackets and instead attach the screen to the post, then you may continue to option 2. Option 2, attaching the screens to the post without using brackets. Begin the installation by choosing the location on your deck you wish to install the screens. Depending on the location that you mount your posts, the distance will be determined by where you wish to mount your screens on the face of your post. You may choose to mount your screens on both the front end or the back side of your posts. You may also wish to combine install options 1 and 2 for the layout of your screens. Once you have determined where you wish to have your post mounted, do so by securing with 4 lag screws as shown. Tighten the lag screws as required. Next, locate the top of the post and place the post caps on top. Insert the cap over the post and push into place. Repeat this step and ensure that both caps are securely attached. Use a hand level, and ensure both posts remain level. Finally, place the screen in front of the post and push the screen towards the post. Secure the screen to the post by using 10 self-drilling screws. Tighten the screw using a drill. Repeat these steps for the remaining screws. Verify that there is a minimum gap of 100 mm, or 4 inches, between the bottom of the screen and the mounting surface. Repeat these steps for the opposite side. For additional privacy screens, simply repeat the process for each additional screen you wish to install. Congratulations, you have completed the installation of the privacy screen. Enjoy your new Hideaway privacy screens. Brought to you by Hideaway.